how to prepare and get yourself ready in this program that you need to know. Dear friends, first of all, you set up your mind. Once you set up your mind, next 10 days I am going to be focused and I am not going to be involved in any activities. Then immediately you start feeling that you become ready. Your resolution help you a lot. Take a strong resolution and that make you already ready. So as you are going to practice for the next 10 days for 10 hours, more than 10 hours in a day, so that if you practice 10 hours, what would be the condition of your body? What would be condition of your mind? What would be condition of your feelings? You can imagine this. If you practice 1 hour of meditation and you become so peaceful, what will happen if you meditate 10 hours? So that's why to manage that peace in your mind, also you have to make such an environment. And as your meditation timings are many meditation sessions are there, so to understand the timings, you need to set off your clock or set off your schedule properly. And as your mind become very peaceful, even a small distraction make you more worried in the beginning. You see, so like when you are meditating and small sound comes, small noise comes, how do you feel? It's very big problems, big distraction. But when you are awake and you are busy in the work and some noise comes out, also you do not mind. In this way, all lots of kind of distraction start come out from all sides. At that time, your heart says, oh, I have to be involved without this, because without this I cannot live, or I have to resolve this problem, otherwise I will make myself in more problem. This kind of thought may come to you, but nothing is important than yourself. But if such things need to be handled, then being in the state of meditation and awareness, you can do it if you have to do it. Otherwise, stop your phone, stop your computers and close your alarms. Sometimes you have put your alarm every day, this much time I have to do, I have to go there, I have to meet. So stop your all alarms in your mobile phone, so that no messages will come. That's why you have to put your WhatsApp, Facebook up. And as I tell you that you send a message to everyone that you are in Vipassana, you are in this path of self-inquiry, and that's why you are up. You are not going to meet them, and send a message in your Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, everywhere, so that people know they are not going to disturb you. Actually, people have nothing to do with you. You have so much to do with them. Understand? When you will die, nobody cares. They only just become unhappy for a while, they cry sometimes, then they forget you. But you are the person who involved with them. Oh, without them I cannot live. It's your problem, not their problem. That's right, yes. Be there inside. The computer that you are using, the device that you are using, either you are using your mobile phone, which mobile you are using, or which computer you are using, keep that properly in a proper place, so that you can enjoy your peace. Otherwise, if your computer is somewhere else and your meditation place is somewhere else, then you move from there to here to there. It is not good. So set off your computer or phone in such a place that you can meditate, you can feel good, and that is very important. If you are cooking your food for yourself, cook with that peace of mind. If someone is cooking for your food, tell them also be in peace, quiet, and cook if possible. Otherwise, their intention or their thought of mind will really come to your food, and that may disturb you. So try to create a very friendly, very silent, very peaceful environment in your family. Yes, if you have children, you cannot control them, and that's why you adjust that moment always, so that when your children see you are silent, they will learn from you, so that later on when you will be practicing, they understand my father or my mother is in meditation, I should not disturb. They will get a training. Okay, so as less distraction can come, you must follow that. So as in the food, we are using less varieties and nutrients, so that we can manage our body. Okay, so how much water you have to drink, when you have to drink water, that is also a setting. So you all are going to get these things. Maybe you have some habit pattern. You have a habit of moving your body, you have a habit to drink coffee, you have a habit of doing something else. With your strong resolution, you are going to transform your habit pattern here. Your habit is not important than yourself. That's why you have to understand. So if you are a religious person and you have to do some prayers for your God or whatever your belief, or any rituals that you follow regularly, is not a problem for Vipassana. You can do that, but not in the time of meditation. You can do your practice after your meditation time, so that you can continue religion according to your own need. During the practice of Vipassana, one thing we see, the very much emotional turmoil. Lots of emotional feelings comes out, and that you need to take care, and you have to be watchful. Nothing in this world is permanent. Everything is keep on changing. Even your emotion changing, your mind changing, your body changing, your people are changing, your relationships changing, everything is changing. Only the awareness do not change. So when you stay with your awareness, you see that everything is one, same, like clouds, that make you more and more relaxed and give you freedom. Okay, so these are the little bit preparation. This way you have to prepare yourself. They are the things going to happen with you. So be ready to meet all challenges, and you can do it. You have to do it. You must do it, and you win it. So prepare yourself, and let's be with me 10 days.